Hey, what's up? I am Bill World, the creator of Concept Sounds World Tunes. Have you heard about it? Concept Tunes is inspiration sounds tunes where you hear one single tune making many sounds. Experience sounds like you never did before. It is an amazing world, you know. Concept tunes have many sounds making one sound. Music has never been made this way before. It is first in the world. Life is beautiful, men. It is the glory of this latter days. New age sounds. Do you believe in yourself, just like I do? Nothing is impossible, dear. It is about thinking and thinking. Dream is a dream until it happens. There's reality in every dreams. So don't just wave your dreams away thinking there are nothing. Life is beautiful when you discover yourself and what you're here for. Listen to these tunes. There are my sounds concept tunes. These are some of my concept sounds tunes. Glory, glory, glory. And this is my story tunes, and I'll have their sounds formats. It is first in the world.
Got me singing, got me laughing. I love what I wanna do. Yeah, yeah. Love singing, you know I love what I do. Whoa, yeah. I do so cool. Yeah, I just want all true. Whoa, yeah. I got you, girl. Where you are, it's just you inside. Yeah. I go do it deep. The party, yeah. Hey, harmony, party, I got a car on the floor. Hey, let's hear the correct in the hall. Yeah, hey, when they hard the pay. You're gonna hear the yeah, hey, when they hard the pay. You know what I mean? Yeah, the party, and here the party, yeah.
That's all we have for you on Concept Sounds Talk today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Visit all my YouTube channels for more stuff. Enjoy your life and your world. It's just one life and one world. Remain blessed. Thanks for watching and bye.
Concept Sounds Cartoon Talk Show was created by Bill World.